Good morning. Okay, good morning. Okay, people on YouTube, can you please tell me if you are seeing any delay? And the way that we can test this is that I'm going to tell you that now it is. Let me check. How can we test this? Okay, let's go Netflix. Yeah, that's great. So this is why you need to set alerts for the watch list because I just got alert on Netflix and BA. So let's see. Okay. Don't know whether we will have a chance to enter Netflix or not. Let's check BA also because I got an alert on that. I don't know if we will have an entry here. Okay, let's go back to QQQ here. Well, Elliott wave is telling me that we are going down, so let's go down. Let's go puts, guys. Let's take puts. So I'm gonna take a position here on puts, 432. Let me just wait a little bit. 432 put. Okay. for 84, or you can take 430 if you want. I got also alert on UPS. Let's see if we can catch UPS here before it's too late. Okay. Now the problem with UPS here, though it is bullish, the problem is that we have this downtrend here, which need to be broken. before we before we can continue. Let's look at the 15 minutes and see what the 15 minutes is telling us, or even the 1 hour. Oh, about the delay, I don't think it's 16 seconds. I don't think it's 16 seconds. The delay is maximum 1 to 2 seconds. That's maximum. Now, UPS is going up. XM puts. What's XM? So I think we missed UPS. Oh, how QQQ should cool down now and go down. Oh, Well, this is a breakout. Let's see if it's gonna retest or this is just a fake breakout here. We will have to wait for this retest, guys. So market is really pushing up now. We we missed UPS. I had it on the alert, but I could not get an entry, and it might go down right now. But I'm not gonna sweat over that. Netflix, same thing. I don't know why these actually just broke up like that, but that's fine. Now Verizon is cooked. I think after earnings, although they made good earnings, but I don't know why they're cooked. They're cooked. Let's see. Now US 500 is facing some strong resistance, but if it cleared that level here, it might go a little bit more up. Oh, okay, this is a breakout here on the US 500, which means SPY. Let's see. I mean, I can't tell you guys how tempting it is to really jump on these calls. It's really tempting. The market is bumping. Wow. Oh, so if you guys are in puts, I think that you need to close as soon as possible. This is crazy. Definitely, definitely, we have to change here to calls. Oh, this is not cooling down. So the stop loss here for these puts that we have taken at 630, stop loss level here was supposed to be 439 as per the ATR. Now we're way past this. Well, the question here is that we have to recover from this loss, so I need to actually have an entry for calls. That's just pushing up. And I wonder why actually. Yeah, we are out of puts, guys, on YouTube. We're out of puts. Morning. So I don't think I can enter BA here. QQQ should cool down a little bit to give me at least an entry. So US 500 cool down a little bit. I don't know whether it's gonna flip or not. Okay, as expected, UPS cooled down a little bit. We will wait for the next entry here. But let me check the Greeks. Okay. I have no idea. So this is so I hate to go against the trend. Now we started the day on the wrong foot because of this big red candle. Then we got caught. Now we need to wait for the next entry for calls. So gonna give it some time here till either we get into this level or that level. So we can start a position here or we can start a position here. So UPS is losing its steam. NVIDIA has a gap here. I don't know from where this gap. I think that this is what pushed the market up. And BAC, that's that's a problem with these morning pushes. See all of this big candle and then it loses everything in the next 15 minutes. I don't know whether this market manipulation or what, but Netflix is still going on. Okay, US 500, this is a fake breakout, guys, here that you can see. It went over this resistance and then went down back. I think that we can still take some calls here, but we need to wait for this level here. So probably we'll go SPY. Just be patient a little bit. I hope that we can have an entry here. We can. Um, so let's put both together in the same screen here and see how it will go. So SPY, that's a 5 minutes on the SPY here. I don't know, I don't like this chart. I don't know. This chart looks weird to me. Anyway. So again, that's SPY going down. I need to come to this level and then we can take calls. And let's be careful this time. SPY calls. Let's aim for either 528 or 527. Those two. Actually, I will leave the selection to you guys because SPY, you can take literally anything. It's just that you need to understand the Greeks. If you're picking something way out of the money, the chances that it's gonna win is gonna be less, and the amount of profit is gonna be so small. If you took something closer to the money, it's gonna be expensive, more risky, but the rewards will be higher. Okay. 528. See, this is a very good level here for calls. No, not yet. We are not yet. We are not yet. See, so I'm visually telling you when I want to enter. So this is the level that I want to enter here. Now, I'm not gonna stop anybody to take his own trade. If you think that you like what you see and you like to take the trade, that's fine. I'm just trying to tell you the optimum place to enter. Now, there's a chance that I'm gonna miss it. Like it did not touch this place now. And maybe if you have actually took the position, maybe you would have been in profit now. That's fine. So it's really up to you what the timing, especially with the live trading here. We are all looking to the same thing together, right? So this is the 5 minutes. So sometimes it's challenging. I maybe we missed it. I don't know. Like if we took it like 2 3 minutes back, maybe it would be like $5 6 up, maybe. But I still believe that this will be a very good position. If it didn't give me that position and the continue up, because see, I will show you why. See those two trend lines here. Okay, that's one. Oops, and that's the second. Okay, so yeah, I mean, maybe if we have taken that call at that time, we would be in profit now. The idea was correct. It just that didn't give me the entry that I want. So feel free to take the trade that you like based on the explanation and the idea here. Just that maybe I was too perfectionist and waited for it to touch the EMA, but it didn't, so I missed it. However, um, we will have more chances because this pattern is gonna be broken either to the upside or to the downside. So either it's gonna go and do something like that, or it's gonna fall down. That's that's what I think is gonna happen. Now let's check QQQ and see what it's very similar on QQQ actually, very similar. But I think that based on the elite waves here, QQQ's down is due for a correction or for a pullback. So I'm gonna give it a moment here and see. Did you guys understand? Well, I mean, if you have taken these calls, if you have taken these calls, but again, I that's not my style to go back and say if. Okay, so sorry, I was talking on mute here. So if you guys want to have a good indicator to set your stop loss, ATR RMA, so it's called ATR stop hunt, ATR. So it's going to give you like a range. So if you entered here, your stop loss should be here at that red line. So again, let's watch this and see what's going to happen in this pattern here. So if it broke this pattern to the upside, definitely we have to go calls. Okay. If it went to the downside, so our calls here should be now changed. You'll wait for a breakout here. Okay. Okay. So I'm ready with my contract here. It is gonna be the 527 calls. I'm ready with that. I didn't say that I'm gonna take it. I'm just ready with it. If my strategy is to wait for a good entry and then enter, some other people who have more bucks or a bigger account, they can actually take a position now and then scale in, means buy more than one contract on different time periods. Like you can buy now at 71. If it went to 60, you buy another one, but this is not everybody's cup of tea. So I would like to wait for closure above this line that I drawn here just to confirm the direction. And here we go. Yeah, so that this is US 500, which is correspondent to SPY, but this is the index itself, not the ETF. So again, I'm waiting for the breakout of this pattern here. So as you can see, exactly, precisely, the price went here, got rejected to the downside. Now, what was 71 2 minutes back, it's now 61, a loss of $10. That's why I did not like to enter at that time. I told you that I'm gonna wait for confirmation. So this wick here, that big wick here, is very good sign for bulls. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take one contract here at 72, and let's see what will happen. So this is I mean, this is risky, I know. It's 527 calls. Yay. Well, I mean, we wait for confirmation, and we are now up 6%, 78 cents now. See that box, guys? It's beautiful. It's just beautiful, guys. See, we waited for it, okay, for breakout, and we took it at the right time. 6% up. I don't know how long it's gonna. I mean, this is stretched up so much. So feel free to take small profits along the way. So we made 10% here. So now it's down to break even, but I think that it might continue going up. Let me throw the fibs. Let's refresh our fibs here. We're still up, guys. It's still 75 cents. So just take your profits, because if this candle actually did not close above that level, okay, it will go down. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. See that? I think our target's gonna be here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Hopefully, guys, you got these calls with me. I think that this is better trade than the puts. Now let's read those. See. Okay, it's going up. We are up 10% now at least. Yeah, of course. See here, I'm always. Oh my goodness, Ali Johnson. We are in calls since like 10 minutes. Missed calls. Probably you did. I was just about to get into that as well. Okay, we are more than 12% now. 15% here. It's 82. And again, I'm not alerting this to Discord, guys. This is exclusive for you. Okay, because I would like people who make the effort to come and attend the live. And I want you also to watch what I'm watching and learn how to take these trades. I think we are due for a pullback. So we are right now at 15%. It's a good time now to set your stop loss to entry or a little bit above entry, because we are forming another line here, which is a trend line. Okay. That's maximum. This is going to be the maximum profit for this play, guys. Okay, let's have a look on the QQQ and see what's QQQ doing. It's going to be pretty similar, but I still think that, so the QQQ gave entry here. We did not take this. I think that we are due for some kind of a pullback now. It can't just go up. See, the candles are getting smaller in the body. Okay. See here on the MACD, buying pressure started to fade. So we are going to pull back now. So I'm gonna delete this just not to confuse you. You guys should be out of calls by now. So these calls, we have taken it at around 70, 71, 72, and it went to maximum 84, 83, something like that. So that was I wouldn't say it was a great trade, but I would say it was an okay trade. Did you guys on YouTube, did you get this? Guys on Discord, did you get this? Did you trim? Okay. So again, it having a small loss, it's every now and then is not a big deal. But we need to learn that our main job is to protect the capital. So, well, Flazal, everything is risky about um, when it comes to options trading. I mean, I I do not think that um, anyone can tell you, hey, this is a guaranteed trade. Just go take it and make money. When you enter this career of trading, you need to understand that losing is a part of it. It's just part of the game. You otherwise everybody's if everybody's gonna be always winning, who actually is going to lose? It's just that you always need to minimize your losses, okay, protect your capital to be able to trade another day. And I'm putting here in front of you on the screen, guys, that okay, your main job is to protect your capital. If you lost today, that's okay, no problems. You can trade again tomorrow. But don't go like if you have a $1,000 account, get into a trade for 600, $700, keep averaging in till your trade is like 1,000, and then you lose all the account, and then you close it and say, hey, market is against me. Oh, um, you know, I'm unlucky. Or market manipulators, or whatever reason it is. It's not. It's actually not. It's a poor management on your side for your capital and for your trades, or I would say poor education. That's all. So now, let's see. We are still bullish. Okay, still bullish. Now, if we want to enter again calls, I am very um, like I'm very curious why the market pushed up that much this morning. I don't know. Haven't read the news. Let me check. Well, the Pope, what? The new Pope, you mean? Or I don't understand why the Pope thingy should affect our US market. Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, maybe it was just like short squeeze. A lot of people actually were in short the last few days, especially yesterday. Like imagine that yesterday market crashed and a lot of people said, okay, we are gonna go down, go down, go down. Let us go and buy puts, and they put all their life savings in tomorrow's puts because yesterday it was so risky, right? And then they wake up in the morning and their puts are destroyed. Possible, I would say it's very possible because this is liquidity, right? So, okay, I think Netflix is doing very well. So, if we got, I mean, I still need to get into Netflix here. So, I'm gonna put alert here on Netflix, okay? And you guys need to learn this. So, if you like some level, just go here and just click the plus and enter just an alert. You know, that's that's very nice. Uh, okay, are we missing another entry here? So I'm gonna wait for Netflix to come to this level to take calls. Um, I think it's gonna go to that level, but maybe later in the day. So here, QQQ stretched. So why I don't like trading in this zone here because we are too far from the VWAP, EMA, and SMA. We're too far from them. And as I told you multiple times, guys, I need to take some kind of a support level to take calls from. Otherwise, it's gonna be chasing. And as you have seen, even in the SPY call, SPY was moving with big green candles, but the price of the contract was not moving that much. So since you are trading options and not the actual stock, because you cannot afford the actual stock, you should set the expectations correctly based on the delta of your contract. So if you're going to go for a cheap contract with like a very small delta, even one or two big green candles are not going to move the contract that much. Okay, it's gonna only move nicely if you are actually in very close to the money contract, which is also very risky. So actually here, I would like to enter here. Well, again, good morning. I mean, so far we could not make a higher high. So that high here, we already reached this with our previous calls. So as long as so this is our new trend line, which I like you guys to learn. That's the trend line here. So this is acting as a resistance now. And I know that we on YouTube we have like 2 to 3 seconds delay, not 15. But I'm working with them actually on a solution. So in the next few sessions, I think it's gonna get better. See, it could not actually go back and make higher highs, right? So I'm just waiting for another signal here to go puts, but not yet. Gotta be patient. Let's see where's Netflix. Netflix is trying. Verizon, that's Verizon. Gold is absolutely insane. Now, here's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the MACD, and this is where we could potentially take another call here at this level here at 522.40. And again, I cannot explain why this SPY chart looks weird. I really don't know why. Something is wrong. You know what? I'm gonna close the hell out of it. Okay, so Now here's our next move. We can plan for taking calls if it went to this level. Okay, here. Boring. BA. Oh my goodness. See that? Well, if this has to prove something, it proves that, first of all, Elliott waves really works very well. So it went from here, went all the way down, and this is the Elliott waves indicator. Okay. Number two, it proves that we should not be chasing those big green candles in the morning. Because if you chase that, look where you will end up. UPS, yeah, see, even Elite Wave is telling you that you're gonna come here anyway. But if that might be a good position here for calls, but I think that this is a fake breakout, and I believe it might go down a little bit. Now, I'm waiting for Netflix, Verizon. I'm gonna go here, Spy, and see what Spy is doing. That's better. So US 500 is the same like SPY, just that US 500 doesn't have this aftermarket pre-market because it's opening 23 hours a day. So you get better indicators on US 500. No, I'm not muted. And what do you mean by use whoop texture? Okay, so it just goes to our level here. So a lot to play could be possible here to get into calls again at this level. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can take calls again on Whoop. No, I'm working on some other solution. We can get into the same SPY 527 or even 526 for 75 cents. I think it's a little bit late now. No, this is SPY. This is SPY. SPY is trying to push down. So we were right at our thesis, but I couldn't get filled. Honestly, I could not get a fill here. That's where I wanted to enter. But again, I do not believe that that was the right entry here. Like I couldn't get filled. Okay, I'm gonna lower my entry here for spy. I'm gonna wait for this level. I'm gonna wait for this level, guys. So on spy is gonna be the level of. Let me see. Just to give you the correct levels here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 522. Uh, so honestly, right now, I think the price is nowhere. Like it can go any direction. To be honest with you, I think it's very risky here. See, on QQQ, we are way above the VWAP. Wait, no, this is the Fibs. That's a VWAP. We are way above the VWAP, way above EMA. Okay, and we are still also above the 23. I can see a world where it can go all the way down here. Then we can take our call. But it's just a waiting game now. Same for SPY, actually. SPY, same thing. Although SPY, the EMA for SPY is here, but I would rather actually go at the SMA or a better level of Fibonacci level here, because this could easily go down, easily. Or even here, I think that here is gonna be even better at the SMA. So we gotta wait, guys. Unfortunately. QQQ is trying to push up for new highs here. And wait, SPY is trying to break above this level. So let's wait here and see if we can take SPY, guys. So this is even clear, exactly like last play. So it's gonna be 527, and again, get ready with it, but don't take it just yet. Let's wait for confirmation. 527 at around 80 cents. More or less 80 cents, more or less. I think that we can take it right now. 527. 527. SPY 527. Oh good. Don't close below this. Don't close below this. I got filled at 77 cents. I'm gonna learn this one. This might be good. Yes. Come on. Come on. Okay, we're up 3%. We're 82 cents now. And even if there is a delay in YouTube, you guys had time to get in. Oops. Wait. Okay. It's flipping on us. I took 527 calls. 527. And I think we made like 6%, but I mean, if you want to enter again, you can. But today, guys, at this stage, you should not expect big wins. So whenever you get like 5-10%, just take them and get out. Okay? Yeah, we entered. My friend, we entered already. We entered 527. Call. Okay, we're back at 75 cents now. Yes, baby. Yes, brother. Now, 77. Come on, close. Close above. can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Help it. Help it. Type W. Type W in the chat. Type W in the chat. Okay, where's 79 cents now? Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Again, guys, whenever you are in profit, maybe you entered less than me, take your profits. Because as you can see, any red candle is just destroying our profits. You can re-enter again if you want. If you are using Webull Turbo, you can re-enter. I'm still in. I'm still in. Okay? I'm still in. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I mean, the setup is right, guys. Setup is right. Okay, again, second time here for 79. Well, 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 well. See that? See that? Yes, 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 yes. 0.85. Okay, okay. See, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. Just beautiful setup. Isn't that great? See that? We waited for it. Okay. We took the right entry, and it's now 0.87. Okay, don't tell me that you could not trim or you missed or you couldn't close or whatever, okay? Everybody should be winning now. Everybody should be winning. I'm setting my stop loss to entry here. A little bit less than entry, to be honest. This is very fragile. I sold some at 83, okay? Well, I mean, it's okay. It happens that if you ended up selling for break even, it's okay. Still, haven't lost, but I think that we got 2 wins. Okay. So who's making money today? Nvidia? Well, I mean, that here is a good setup. So let's lead this one. Let's redraw our fibs. Okay, so with so far, yeah. SoFi is like at entry. Yeah, I mean, if you want to trim that, if you went like crazy with SoFi trade, just trim it. It was a flow anyway. Nvidia. So Nvidia is dropping down. It's gonna take down QQQ with it. Okay, guys on YouTube, I think that I have a limit on the time. Um, I think the limit is like 90 minutes. Okay, so we are almost at the end of our YouTube session. So I I will try to go again tomorrow with a different setup. And if you if you don't have my, because I'm gonna continue actually in Discord live. We stay on live like on Discord for 3 4 hours together. So if you are not on a server which has my signals, you can join mine and you can get the free trial and we can trade every morning. But if you already on a server which has my signals, I will alert whenever I see anything. But yeah, I think that the stream on YouTube will close in a couple of minutes. So I can restart. I can restart the live on YouTube, but I need to check about this delay. Okay. And I promise that tomorrow, it's not gonna be with delay. I'm gonna find out what's the problem. Oh, Nvidia. Let's see. How can we? Yeah, the delay is only 1 second on YouTube. But wait, Ben. Oh, okay. What? Uh, uh, okay. What's that? I'm gonna reset my. Can you reset your chart? Yeah, bro. What you were looking at in the beginning? No, sometimes if you are making the replay, it's gonna be like that. Okay, so Nvidia, I guess that we missed it because it went all the way here, man. See, it went here. We should have taken it here. I think it's gonna go up again, but it's not going to go that much because this is the high of the day here. If it's gonna make like a lower high, it's gonna keep dropping. Anyway, I just want to say goodbye for the people on YouTube. Again, you have all the information you need, and you can DM me with questions, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you, guys.